Hello, YouTube. I'm going to show you how um, to make a nav bar very simply. So the bottom right over here is the nav bar. There's location and about, and you can add more items, but I'm not going to. And as you can see, we have the nav. It declares it as a nav bar, and it has navbar -expand LG. What this does, if I take it away, they won't be horizontally side by side. So they're gone. They're not horizontally side by side. They're not expanded. So it's supposed to expand these items side by side when basically it's large enough. Okay? That's essentially what it means. The background light, we can also have background dark, subtle, you know? It's pretty nice. And then we have the navbar toggler, which you're going to need. It's going to be the button for when things get smaller, and there's a hamburger menu. What do I mean by a hamburger menu? I mean this. This is the hamburger menu. Okay? So this will toggle everything. And this is the data target, which is the ID of basically the whole list of things in the navbar. As you can see, navbar nav matches the ID of navbar nav, which is the div class name, collapse navbar collapse. So what happens if I take away collapse? Nothing yet. Nothing. But you'll notice it doesn't get recognized. It ends up being in the side right there. So what you have to do is add collapse navbar collapse. So they do collapse alongside with this button. So it goes into this button. See? Now we don't have the stuff like at the side right there. So if we take this and we make it spelled wrong, it still works. But basically, this, sorry, this should match this. What happens if I put this as true? So what does this do? Area controls, sorry, area expanded true. What does that do? So it's typically set to false. It basically indicates that initially the nav bar is collapsed. Okay, so if it's collapsed, so if it's collapsed, it shows up like this. Okay? And here we have navbar nav. So this is the nav. And margin left auto. So it will automatically space out. What happens if there is no margin left auto? Basically nothing because we have padding. See? Padding of 4, padding of 4. Anyway, I hope this makes sense.